During the initial installation of Knack3 solutions, a step-by-step guide will walk you through the setup. First, grant access to the projects you want to use. Then, give access to the relevant users. Next, assign roles to each user. Now, let's configure your AI. Choose your provider, enter your API key, and select your default settings. Before finishing, please allow a moment for the application to fetch your project tickets. Finally, run a search to identify the technical skills needed to process your tickets with the AI. This step runs in the background and may take a few minutes. And that's it. Your setup is complete. You're now ready to start using the solution.